Bitcoin isn't just a form of digital money. It represents a crucial shift in our understanding of value and currency. As we move into 2025, we witness an unprecedented acceleration in institutional adoption of Bitcoin alongside a growing skepticism toward fiat currencies. Inevitably, this raises the question of trust in our traditional financial systems. Bitcoin's unique properties position it as the ultimate store of value in a world fraught with uncertainty, making it more relevant than ever before. One of the most compelling features of Bitcoin is its finite supply, capped at just 21 million coins. As time progresses, and particularly after each halving event, the scarcity of Bitcoin only intensifies. This limited supply creates a fundamental value proposition that is unlike any other asset class. With inflation rates climbing in many parts of the world, the appeal of a deflationary asset like Bitcoin becomes strikingly clear. Investors see Bitcoin not just as a speculative asset, but as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Meanwhile, major economies are increasingly experimenting with central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs. However, these government-backed currencies lack the decentralization that Bitcoin inherently offers. While CBDCs may provide convenience, they also come with concerns over privacy and state control. Bitcoin, on the other hand, empowers individuals by allowing them to own and transfer value without relying on any intermediary. This decentralized freedom is a key aspect that sets Bitcoin apart from traditional financial instruments. Globally, a shift in sentiment is occurring. From Wall Street to emerging markets, more individuals are choosing to HODL or hold on to dear life. Put it another way, hold on to their Bitcoin, rather than selling it off for quick profit. This behavior demonstrates a growing belief in Bitcoin's long-term potential as a store of value. People understand that Bitcoin is not merely a speculative asset. It has evolved into a critical component of our financial landscape, one that demands serious consideration in investment portfolios. In conclusion, Bitcoin is no longer a distant notion of the future. It has firmly established itself as a vital part of our present economy. With institutional adoption set to rise and global trends favoring decentralization, it's time to reassess our understanding of money and its implications. As we continue navigating these changes, I will bring you more insights into the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrency. Remember, this is not financial advice. Rather, it's a narrative that reflects the smart storytelling surrounding crypto and the monetary revolution it represents. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click on subscribe and click on all notifications and smash that like button. Until next time, thank you for watching.